Once you finish using the Laurastar Smart Eye, you can actually fold it up and put it away. So you've got some levers here. So that adjusts the height. So when you're going down, press the levers. When you're going up, don't press the levers. So as you lift it, it will grab at each level. So it's got about 6 levels. So when you're ready to put it away, you have to put it away at its highest setting. So lift it to its highest setting. Put the cord minder down. Probably a good idea to turn the power off first. Okay, put the iron away in reverse. The same side as the steam pipe is on. Put it away in its storage box. Can you see that in there? So that's silicon, so it won't burn. You can put it away hot. Okay, retract the power lead. So just pull, just disconnect it and pull. There's no button there. Okay, and that's ready to be folded. Probably a good idea to take the water bottle off just in case it falls when you're folding it. Okay, so take that off. Empty it. Have it ready for next time. So when it's at its highest setting, it's ready to fold. So the way you're doing it is you're lifting the back up, moving to your left and tilting it, and that's how you fold it. So put your hand under here, under the plastic box. There's a little divot, a little section where you put your hand. Lift the back up, walk to your left, and as you reach a certain point, it will collapse. Okay? And then you can move it and put it away. It won't stand on its own. You have to lean it against something. Okay? So once again, I'll show you that. To open it, keep it completely vertical. Use the bend of the board is where you put your hand. Okay, I'm just going to turn around this way actually. So the bend of the board, put your hand there. Pull that up. Put the back legs down and you're at the highest setting. To adjust the heights, the levers, press the levers and go all the way down and then lift it to where you want it, which is about here, about hip height. So that's suitable for me. Okay, but once again, to fold it, you must lift it to the highest setting and then do a tilt and fold. So as you go to your left, it will collapse when it reaches a certain point and you're done. Okay, and just lean it up against the wall. When you're ready, you can just open it up next time.